So if I have a hinge is like a door has a hinge, right? It makes the door open and close. If I put a hinge on these two pencils right here, and this pencil has the same two lengths, right? But this degree here is 60 degrees, and then I open it up and it's 62 degrees. Which side opposite that angle is going to be bigger? Is it going to be the one with the 62 or the one with the 60? 62. Yeah. So I say that HK is bigger than EG. So on this one, we know that this side here is equal to this side here. So we put the tick mark, and we know that this side is equal to itself, right? So now we've got the hinge situation. So the one across from the 65 is going to be bigger than the one across from the 62. So now we do 3x equals 4 times 8. Is greater than, sorry. So x is greater than 1.6. All right, so just like before, we have this side is equal to this side, and this side is equal to itself. So the hinge is obvious that this side here, 12, is less than 28. So that means that 1/2 x minus 6 is less than 52 degrees. Who does not understand how I set that up? So let's leave the x alone. We have 1/2 x equals 58. And then when we multiply both sides by 2.
Is it less than or is it?
Oh, it is less than. I keep doing that. So when we multiply both sides by 2, we get x is less than 1/16. However, x can't be any number less than 1/16 because it's going to reach a point where it'll be negative and then it'll go into negative degrees, right? So whenever x is less than a number, we also have to consider that 1/2 x minus 6 has to be greater than 0. It can't be a 0 and it can't be a negative. Got it? So whenever x ends up less than a number, you've got to do this also here. So it's 1/2 x is greater than 6, and then multiply both sides by 2. So x is greater than 12. So my answer on this one looks like this.